Okay, friends, so this is going to be our last new activity for the week. So the way that we set it up is that Monday through Thursday, you're going to have the same activity each day that you had and we're learning to use this week. So for this activity, you will always have this same thing on Thursdays. So this one's going to look a little bit different from the rest because you're not going to see a lot of CVC words, but we're definitely using our letter sounds and understanding of words to put sentences in order. So we're going to look at the directions. It says build a sentence. Listen to the sentence, build it. And you see that it shows these words in boxes and you're going to move them around so that you can put them in the order that you'll hear the sentence. So when you're ready, you're going to go to this slide and the title says build a sentence. So when you are ready to build this sentence, you're going to see this green dot that's on top of the construction worker's head. And the green dot, when you click it, you'll hear the sentence that you need to build. Okay, so we're going to try it out. So I'm here, I'm ready to click my green button and you're going to press play. You ready? Today's sentence is going to be, my mom is not mad. My mom is not mad. So now you're going to put those words in the order that you hear them. The sentence is, my mom is not mad. Today's sentence. So if you need to hear it again, you can click the play button as many times as you want. But the whole point is that now you're going to take that sentence and you're going to move these cards into the top to build your sentence. So the sentence was my mom. So I need to figure out which one of these words says my. And even if you don't know how to spell the word my, looking at this box over here, it has a capital in it, so I definitely know, regardless, this is the beginning of my sentence because there's a capital in the beginning. So this is the word my, and the sentence is my mom. So mom has two M's in it, one in the beginning and one in the end. My mom is not mad. And of course, always at the end of our sentence, we put a period. And then, like all the other stuff we've been doing this week, when you're done, you're going to go back to the Google Classroom and make sure you click the submit button in the corner. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.